Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Couture Crave, where you get the brand new shoe collection. So every day I show you latest designs of footwear that are very comfortable and stylish. So today I will show you the pumps heel designs. As you are watching the designs on the screen, and on the corner you are seeing number. So which design you like the most, you can select the number link from the description and click on the link. Then you will redirect to the website and place your order. These are very comfortable and lightweight designs. These are LifeStride women's Saldana pump that are very versatile and elegant footwear choice that effortlessly combines comfort and style. These pumps are designed with the modern woman in mind, offering a classic silhouette with a contemporary twist. The Saldana pump features a sleek pointed toe and manageable heel height, making it perfect for both professional settings and special occasions. What sets these pumps apart is the LifeStride soft system technology, which provides superior cushioning and support, ensuring that you can stay on your feet all day or night without discomfort. With a variety of color options and timeless designs, the LifeStride Saldana pump is a reliable go-to for any fashion-forward woman looking to set up with confidence and comfortable. So these are very beautiful designs and are available in different colors. So you can check these colors and select your choice. So please let me know which design you like the most. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching my video.